when two people are meant for each other. No time is too long, no distance is too far. No one can ever tear them apart. Having a conversation with your crush improves your mental strength. If you are crushing on someone, there is an 80% of chance that person crushing back on you. Being unable to get someone off your mind indicate that you are also on that person's mind as well. Sometimes the people who don't talk to you are the ones that really wants you. Your crush sees you as 20% more attractive than you think you are. When someone make eye contact with you a lot, it's a sign that they want you or comfortable with you. Physiology says the longer you hide your feelings for someone, the harder you feel for the individual. Feeling sadness for no apparent reason may indicate that you're missing someone and or someone missing you. Two types of people who can't look at you in the eyes. Someone trying to hide a lie and someone trying to hide a love. Pretending not to care is the habit of someone who generally cared the most. Getting ignored by someone you care has same feelings as getting physically injured. If you want someone to like you more, borrow something really small for them. Girls never forget her first love that made her smile. Guys never forget the first girl that made him cry. Never smile when you look at someone you love, because if you do so, the person you love will fall in love all over again. Love will fall in love all over again. Deep conversation with the right woman can effort men's mental strength. Men tend to lower their tone when they talk to someone they love. Females are better than males at remembering faces. If she is silent and gone cold, you may have hurt her badly and she may even be looking at their option. Girls do not like boys who are very flirty. If you are seriously with a girl, then stop flipping too much. People with low self-esteem tend to impress others more than often. Girls love to hear their price even if you price it falsely. People do have time, it's all about their priorities. When they fall in love, they certainly have all the time to give that person. The average lifespan of relationship is 3 to 5 months. If you don't break up after 6 months, you are pretty much in there for life. If a girl like you and is interested in you, she will surely do the following things. Number 1, she will flirt with you by text or playing with her hair or just with her eyes while talking to you. Number 2, she will ask you out or will accept without hesitation your invitation. If for whatever reason she cancels, she will reschedule. Number 3, she will want to get to know about you and your interest. Number 4, she will be really sweet, caring and sportive if you tell her something that hurts or affects you. Number 5, she will be, when things go that way, she will desire to be intimate with you. Number 6, she will be fine with any plan, even if you go to a park to just talk, because she is interested in you as a person, not in your money. The same applies if a girl only wants you as a partner. Money is always irrelevant to the correct girl.